Hi guys! Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to repair the LG Aerostyle. Repair the cracked screen and adding a brand new different color screen. Okay, so now we're going to start by removing the back piece. Be like a little slot right here. Just pop it off. We're just going to set this aside right here. And then we're going to remove the battery. And set it aside. Okay. And then we're going to remove the SD cards. Okay. And now when you by removing all of these screws, we're going to use a star screw. One screw. We're going to use our metal prey stick. We're going to insert it in the inner corner of the phone. While you're doing it, you should hear it popping. Yes. Just keep on going all the way around until we get our screen out. Okay. Now the screen is out. Okay. Now we're going to turn this around. This is the back piece in which we just removed. We're going to set it aside right over here. This is our camera right over here. We're going to start by just removing this tab, just lifting it up. And then we're going to go right ahead and place our camera piece right here. And also this is our other camera. So we're going to just remove this tab right here by lifting it. Okay, just get it loose a little bit. There we go. We removed it, set it aside. And our audio right here. Just gotta lift this tab up right here just to release it. Okay, there we go. Right here, this is where our audio cord goes. Okay. We're going to go right ahead and we're going to lift up our audio piece just to loosen it from our memory board. So now once we have all of our flaps, let me just remove this right here so you guys can get a better vision of what I'm showing you. Okay, so once you remove the flaps and you remove your cameras, that should allow your memory board to get a little bit more loose. Okay, so just remove it a little bit. You can use your tweezer if you want. There we go. Now we removed our memory board. Now we gotta remove this audio piece right here and set it right here, and remove this piece right here just to make sure everything is placed in properly. And then we're just gonna give it a little push. And once it's in, you should hear like it make like a little snapping sound. That way you know that it's in and it's secured. Okay, now we're gonna go back and we're gonna add in a front-facing camera. And then snap it, give it a little push. And then we're gonna add in our other camera piece right here. Just gonna insert it. Snap it, make sure. Then we're gonna go ahead with this piece. Snapping it in place. And then our back piece. You can either put your SIM card in now or after. Doesn't really make a difference. I'm just gonna go right ahead and insert it. And then we're gonna put our piece in. Give it a nice push. And then we're gonna continue placing this right here by adding in our screws again. Sound is working perfectly, as you guys can see. The screen is working. There you go. This is how the screen looks if you add in the black screen versus just buying the gray screen. As you guys can see, back cover, the front, your new screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my upcoming videos. Thank you and God bless.